Hi there and welcome to this video. In the last few videos I have told you why to have to work with AliExpress. Remember, I recommend you if you want to go dropshipping to go with AliExpress. AliExpress has thousands and thousands of good suppliers and also it has bad suppliers, but do not worry because in this video I'm going to show you how to pick good suppliers and good products. So stay tuned and let's start. So this is the AliExpress dashboard in here. The first thing I recommend you to do is to pick the country you are shipping to. I'm shipping to USA, so I'm going to choose USA in here. In this way, when you search for a product, you will get the information related to this country, like the shipping method and everything. So this is the AliExpress homepage in here. Here you have the different categories. These categories are very important. They can help you picking your categories and your subcategories, and they can help you while you are choosing your niches if you want. So you have many categories, and in each category you have many subcategories. So don't worry. Okay, and if you scroll down in here, you will see the flash deals, the brand zone, the spotlight stores, and many other stuffs. So let's say I'm going to search for a product that's related to knitting. I'm going to make a store about knitting accessories. I'm going to write here knitting. So here I get many results, many results, and I have to organize them to know how to work with them. So the first thing that you can do in here, you can choose to order these the items by number of orders. When you click on this in here, AliExpress will show you the products by the number of orders. So this is the product with the highest number of orders, and in here the number of orders decrease. So why it's important to choose a product with a high number of orders? Because in this way you can make sure that the product you are picking is a product that has been sold too many times, and that's a good product that you can work with and that people really like this product. I'm going to go more specific. I'm going to pick knitting and crochet tools. Okay, and I'm going to keep them organized by orders. Okay, so this first item has number of orders of 5,690 orders. If we scroll down here, we'll get a lower number of items of orders, like 1,597 orders. This is a good number of orders between. I can go with this number of items of orders. It's good. So let's say we have picked orders. Now you can choose the price range you want to work with. Let's say you want a price range between $5 to I don't know, $15, for example. You can go for that, and you can click on OK, and AliExpress will filter for you the items that are included between these two prices. Okay, you can also pick the free shipping in here option. I don't recommend you to do so because when we are going to dropship, we are going to use ePacket. ePacket shipping is a very good shipping way because it will lower your estimated shipping time, and it will deliver your item in a good shape with a good delivery package. So don't click on free shipping. You can also choose to pick the rating. I'm not going to do that, but you can also click in here to choose the rating. You can also order your items by the newest, the seller rating, and the price. It's up to you. I always like to sort my items by orders. It's very important. So let's say I'm going with this one. This first item is very expensive. For example, I want to go with this one. It has 2,419 orders. It's a very good number of orders. It has a very high rating. It's 4.8 out of 5. It's a very good rating, and I'm going to click on it. I like it. So this is the item I have picked. Okay, it's a great item. You can see in here that it has a very good rating. It has a very good number of orders. Its price is for $8 now. So in here you can click and see the different kind of e-packet. For example, the e-packet option for this item is for free. This is very good. It has an estimate date between 12 to 20 days. It's the lower estimation date. That's why I recommend you to go with ePacket. See, this one is very expensive. This one is very expensive. This one needs a very long time. So ePacket is your best option. So I'm going to pick it. And in here, you can scroll down, read some things about the return policy if you want, and everything. If we scroll down in here, we will see everything related to the product. From the product details in here, to the feedbacks in here. You can also read reviews, see true images about the item to make sure that the item will be delivered in a good shape to your customers. You can also see shipping and payment options. You can also see the seller guarantees. So, how to pick a good AliExpress product? The first thing to do is to choose a product with a good number of orders, to pick a product that has a good number of a good rating, and to pick a product that's being sold by a good supplier. So in here, for example, this store, the one in here has an experience of 1 year, but it's mentioned as a top brand. It's a good rating for a store. In the next video, I'm going to show you the different kind of store rating on AliExpress, so you can make sure that you are picking a good store. It's very important to pick a good supplier, because when you pick a good supplier, you make sure that your items will be delivered in a good way to your customers. So if you click in here on the number of, if you click in here on the store name, for example, you can explore many other items. So in here you see this store is dedicated for selling sweets. So you can see that you have now many items that you can work with. This store is selling knitting and crochet stuffs. That's very good because you are building a store about this niche, for example. So you can pick many items from here, and you can choose the items you want to add to your store.